today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Prep Tech cutting board and kitchen scale from Dexas. We got this from Kroger. Let's get right into it. Pull it out. And it's got a slot right here for you to sit your tablet in. If you want to do recipes and kitchen scale. It is tempered glass. Cutting board is right here on this side. This is actually not wood, it's natural bamboo. And it's also got a grooved area so you can catch any spills back of it. Just looks like that right there. You could just flip it over, take the scale out like that, and flip it over. You could just use this as a cutting board as well. Now I can start weighing things out and having a more accurate idea of what exactly my recipes consist of. A lot of times in the past, I just go off just what I think works best or going by the taste. Save some space and use two functions at once while we're using this. I'll be using this a lot more in my future videos. I'll give a full review on it in about a month, but as for now, that's it. And it gives you instructions in here as well on how to properly maintain it. Care instructions, it says wash thoroughly before and after each use. Do not place in dishwasher or microwave. Do not submerge food scale. Avoid cross-contamination by always washing cutting boards, knives, and prep utensils. Rinse and dry surfaces between food preparation. That's that. And then right on here it says designed with an integrated tech slot that holds smartphones and tablets for viewing recipes or cooking videos. This is actually not wood, it's natural bamboo, which is a fast-growing type of grass that's earth-friendly and sustainable. And it's got natural grain patterns and tones to create an ideal surface for both food prep and presentation. So I'll be able to take above shot of my ingredients to make it look more aesthetic as well. And then digital food scale makes it easy to accurately measure ingredients and practice portion control for healthy eating. With me moving into my meal prepping era, it's a lot more important that I weigh stuff out properly and have the proper portions. That's why we invested in this scale in the kitchen, and both me and my fiance will be using this. Thank y'all for watching. I look forward to using this and giving y'all my full review on it very soon. Make sure you like the video, share it with someone who might be looking for a similar product, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Peace, love, and have a greater day.